Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone not downloading apps after iOS update. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, check that you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, and after check your storage space. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. So guys, I have a lot of storage available on my iPhone, and then after this the next solution is update your Apple ID details or change your Apple ID. And then after this the next solution is correct your date and time settings. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on date and time. So correct your date from here. And then after this the next solution is turn off content and privacy restriction. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on screen time, scroll down and tap on content and privacy restriction. So simply tap to turn this off and then go back. And then after this the next solution is pause and resume the download. So like this. So Facebook, pause and resume it again. And then after this the next solution is uh, restart the app store and restart your iPhone also. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to restart your iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, so after this the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So I am updating the version. So go back now. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.